Cool. So this is all about Max for Live, or even when you're within just Max standalone, it's exactly the same in both. Creating a tabbed browser. Obviously, when you're in Max for Live, you have quite a small area. And you'll see when you use other Max devices, particularly in simpler, that it's tabbed browsing on the top there. It helps to fit a lot of stuff in the same small area. So this is how to do that. I've got an audio track here. I've got a Max for Live device, and you can see it's got two tabs. One is for recording. It doesn't actually do anything. It's just to show record and playback. So if I go inside here, just cancel that. I've got these two patches. These are sub-patches, and you can create sub-patches just by pressing N for new, and if you just type P space and then give it a name, I don't know, it might be filter, for instance. It creates a new sub-patcher. A little window will pop open, and you can start to design stuff in here. Let's put in a comment box. Let's call it filter. Maybe our filter has a couple of live dials in it. So this is the inside the sub-patcher, and you can see we've got three sub-patches in here. What I want is for these sub-patches to appear as tabs along the top. And it's quite easy the way we do it. If I right-click anywhere in a spare bit of space in our sub-patcher and go to the inspector window, and if I've got all selected so I can see all the options, go right to the bottom, there's an option that says show on parent patcher tab. So let's select that. Notice we've got a new tab that's just popped up. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to recorder here. Let's open it up. A quick way of opening one of these, if you hold Command and double click, it'll open up. Record, let's go right click, inspector window, scroll to the bottom, show on parent patcher. Recorder has just been added, nice. And finally, so Command click, Command double click, sorry, right click, inspector window, go right to the bottom, show on parent patcher tab. Great, so I've got all three tabs there. Close that. I've also got this thing, Ed's tab tester root, bit ugly. I don't really need to see that. Those are my elements that I want. So to get rid of that, if I right click in a spare bit here, spare bit here, and uncheck that show root patcher on tab, we get rid of it. So now we've just got nice tabbed interface, nice and neat. If I save that, Max for Live is updated, I can close it. So yeah, now we've got our filter, recorder, player. Nice and neat. Of course it doesn't do anything, they're just basic raw interface objects, but it demonstrates the idea. Helps you fit a lot more into a small amount of space.